Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to learn guitar on your own, in your own space, at your own pace, with an app that you can download on your mobile device called Tabs. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going into our Play Store and you're going to download something called Tabs, okay? This is what the icon looks like. It's a little arrow with what looks to me like little horns. It could be something different. However, you're going to go ahead, you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store, depending on what device you're using. And now, this is probably one of the most fantastic apps to use as a beginner guitar player or any other strings instrument player, as well as for intermediate and more professional use, okay? So, quite simply, all you need to do is go ahead and choose a song. Now, for example, we are going to see one of these recently viewed over here. And you can see the Stairway to Heaven says tab next to it. Now, if you tap on that, it'll open this up. And here you can see how to use the actual tabs. Now, if you want to turn your phone sideways, it might be slightly better because you'll be able to see this all in a long view. But ultimately, you will see that the numbers represent the fretboard and where you will put your finger. So if you look for the 7th fret, you can go ahead and put your finger on that fret and on the string D. Then look for the 5th fret and put your next finger on there on the string of G, and so forth. Now, if you want to hear what the song actually sounds like, you can go ahead and click on the play button at the bottom so that you can hear what it's supposed to sound like, and then you can replicate that. You can also click on the little YouTube button over here on the bottom left. That will ultimately take you to YouTube and it'll allow you to see a video of that. And then on the top there's a record button and you can also leave comments. Ultimately, this is one way to learn tabs when you are learning how to play the guitar. Now, with the CRD, which is chords, I'm going to go into this song by Ed Sheeran. And here you can see all the chords that you will be playing. So right at the top, let us see there. So there's all the chords that you'll be using when you are playing this song. Okay, you can adjust it to your own liking if you're using a different guitar or different tuning. But ultimately, you're going to go down here. There's some information. And here you will see we have all of the chords above the lyrics. So as you're going through here, you will be playing these chords above these lyrics. Now, if you tap on any one of these chords, you will see what it looks like, and you can click on play and you can hear what it sounds like. So now you can go through here and you can play this and learn how to play the chords of this song.